Hi everyone, my name is Ali Saunders and I want to teach you how to create great whiteboard animations using videoscribe. I'll teach you everything you need to know, so you'll start out as a beginner and be a pro videoscribe user by the end of this course. I have created many high-quality whiteboard videos for my video production business and have been working with videoscribe for several years. In this course, I'll teach you how to use all of the tools available in videoscribe and how to create engaging whiteboard animation videos. After this course, you will know how to create your own whiteboard animations using videoscribe. You will be able to sell your services. You'll be able to visually explain and express ideas through whiteboard animation. You'll learn how to change the drawing speed, change your drawing tools, move camera positions, how to use the videoscribe library, and how to import your own images. Videoscribe allows you to create professional videos in a fraction of the time it would take you to shoot a video with live actors. Whiteboard animation videos are one of the most popular video styles to tell a story and grab an audience's attention. So what better time than now to start learning videoscribe and start making professional whiteboard videos. I hope to see you in the course.